for coming back to my channel once again. If you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say you rock. You guys come back each and every week. You leave me comments, and I appreciate you so much. Some of these comments almost have me in tears. I had to tell someone this morning it was too early to start crying. But I thank you guys. I appreciate all of the kind words and messages that you all are leaving me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel and you love DIY content and you love doing DIYs or just watching DIYs so you can recreate something, this is definitely the channel for you, and you want to go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now today, I am working on just some simple designs to put on my kitchen cabinet for Christmas. I'm not doing a lot of decorating this year. I'm just going to take some ribbon. I got some red ribbon, some silver ribbon that I'm making a bow out of, and some Christmas ornaments that I'm putting on it, along with a little pearl that I'm putting on the bow. So let's get started here. And the only thing I'm doing is just, because this is not double-sided ribbon, I'm just twisting the ribbon a little bit to make the tails be on this side. Now I'm going to scrunch that up a little bit in the middle. Do not laugh at me for what I'm about to show you. Your girl is tired because I think I put out like 5 or 6 videos this week. Remember when I told you to twist the ribbon backwards so it could be on the same side? No, just crisscross it over. That's it, guys. It's already on the same side. Don't laugh at me. Got a piece of fishing line, monofilament line. And I threaded my bead through it. And then I'm just wrapping the monofilament line around. And just tying it on the back. And just tie it about 3 times in a knot. Cut it off. And you made you a cute little bow there. I'm taking a good amount of the red ribbon. It kind of depends on the length of your cabinets and how far you want your decorations to come down in front of the cabinet or toward the end, in the center, or whatever. Next, I'm taking our bow. And I should have left a piece of monofilament on here. I didn't, so I'm going to add it on right now. I'm taking our ornaments. And I'm adding them onto the ribbon. I want them hanging just a little bit on the ribbon, not a lot. Cut that off. Like that. And now I'm going to add our bow directly on the end of the ribbon. And I just threaded it through the ribbon. And I'm going to tie it off. And I realized I should have put the bells, the ornaments on last. I don't cut it off. And that is how that is looking. Now, in order to hang my ribbon from my cabinets, I am putting a piece of curl ribbon on here, just tying it on. Tying it on kind of tight. Take about 3 knots. Then I'm making just a little loop. In order to hang my ribbon, I'm using some cable clips. I had a lot left over from my boycott bill, and I just hung it upside down. I used some Command damage-free hanging strips, the refill strips. And I'm taking the little loop that I made and hooking it on here. And that's how I'm hanging those on the cabinet. I'm gonna hang the rest and come back with the reveal. And guys, this was something simple, very inexpensive, and quick. When you are a disabled senior citizen and you can't go out a lot, and I don't go out a lot, I have to come up with different things that I can do that still looks good. And I love doing crafts. I've been doing DIYs all of my life. And this is the only thing that I did to my stove. And I added 2 red towels just to make it a little festive. And once again, guys, you all have a blessed day, and don't let anyone steal your joy or your peace. Bye, guys.